What's going on, Vechain family? We're still seeing Vechain continuing with this bullish divergence. Before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Otherwise, do enjoy this update. So nothing has changed. We've been calling for this bullish divergence to play out, and over the last days we're seeing that come to fruition, as well as there being a Coinbase listing. So yeah, Vechain would be readily available over on Coinbase, and yeah, this would of course bring lots of new retail when the upcoming bull market does come, because a lot of first-time users of crypto tend to use Coinbase, and if they see that Vechain is there accessible, then that is so where some of retail will be putting their money, of course. And we know what Vechain does is very good for the supply chain. I've made some previous fundamental videos on Vechain as well, so yeah, if you want to go check out, just type just search Vechain and then Louis Crypto on YouTube, and then you'll see some fundamental videos on that in the past. But what we are seeing now is the continuation of this pump. We did actually manage to close the daily candle above the 55 moving average, so we now need to see a continuation towards the 200 EMA. But please do understand that this is a key level of previous support now as resistance. It was once support also over here, where we're looking for continuation higher, but as below the 200 EMA, and this is what's deciding our trend on. This is the daily time frame, so a more accurate time frame. Is basically keeping us in a downtrend. So the expectation is to lose this support and then of course use it as resistance over here and then come down. So even if we do pump up into that location again, it is just to be expected as resistance, and then for us to eventually lose this low point. So yeah, Vechain would continue to make lower lows if we now fail to reclaim this 1.8 to 1.9 level of resistance. I think that by reclaiming this would be Bitcoin getting back up to 29-30k, and if Bitcoin now then fails to climb back above those levels, I think there is a path for Bitcoin to head all the way down to 20k, and that would for sure hit a nail in the coffin for Vechain to go ahead and lose this low, which is quite annoying because it keeps putting in those lower lows. But if we go all the way back to the previous bear market, we can see that this is not the chart with all the information, but Vechain always ends the bear cycle with a lower low. So yeah, there's nothing out of the ordinary right now, as it keeps losing its low. It's annoying, of course, but we can see we're still holding this low over here down at 1 cent exactly. So you're technically still all right. So maybe we do go on a path. I need to have this wave up to finished, but we can just go from this point as of now. So that would be our 1 fib level. This would be our 0 fib level up here at 2.1 cents, and we can see that right now we are running into that golden pocket, trying to reclaim it. So price should have come down into there and then bounced like this. This is what we wanted to see, but we've created the reversal wave, and yes, you should get rejected by the golden pocket over here, but I've already given you reasons why we could come up higher, and it could still be a fake hand. We do head lower to the lower end of 1 cent. So that is the expectation if Bitcoin were to continue to 20k. If anything does change, I will let you guys know, but the expectation is bullish divergence was given out for free on the channel. It's also going up because of the Coinbase listing. I hope you guys did profit off of these moves that we've been calling over the past days on the channel. But other than that, after this bullish divergence does play out and we meet some key levels of resistance, look, we're running into one right now, the 0.5 Fibonacci. And if we do push one more time above that point, I'm expecting this to be our top, and then for us to come down for a correction. I know we've been correcting, but again, yeah, because we are in a downtrend, and this is all determined by the moving average over here, the 200 EMA, which is lining up very nicely with that previous support as resistance. So a lot of things basically saying that this is where our top should be. And then whether we do continue for new lows to these targets will remain to be seen. But I think if Bitcoin does head to 20k, then this would be the case for Vechain as well, to get back down to these price targets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video update. If you need any further assistance to profit off these moves, just like we're calling on the channel over here, check if you do qualify for 3 months free in the Discord community. You can just join it anyway. You can do the education, whether that's the one-to-one mentorship plan or the course. Just private message me, because with that one-to-one mentorship plan, you do get the course for free, as well as 3 months free in the Discord community as well. So even before we start those 5 hours or 10 hours of sessions, whichever you do pick, you'll have the course to go off. So you do the course, we start the sessions, and then we go to more advanced things in the mentorship one-to-one sessions. Cheers.